This company is called RecPak. It's the vanilla chai, and it's just add water, shake, and you are good to go. And it looks like the entire contents is 6.7 ounces. You can see all of the ingredients down through there right there. And all you do is pull the tab, add water, shake it up, let it settle, and you've got a complete meal right here. I get it, you know, if we're gonna be staying for a while, you might wanna have more and cook a meal with, I've got a little oven that I'll cook and all that, but these light duty hikes like this, I keep these RecPaks with me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this thing works. I'm using my water right here and just put down inside there, shake it up, and we'll see what it tastes like. So let's do that now. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is pull the actual tab right here. You just go around like that. Make sure you keep up with that. I'm putting that in my pack, everybody. Shake it up a little bit. Check out down in there. I don't know how well you can see down in there. It is basically like a powdered paste that turns into food. So because this water filter, you have to actually go through the filter. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the water filter out, set it aside, and then I'm just gonna pour directly down inside this thing. So here we go. Now it says go about 12 ounces. Oh, that's pretty easy to hit that. I think that's pretty good right there. I'm gonna set it right here, let it settle. We're gonna give it about maybe 3 minutes to kind of form whatever it is, and then we're good to go. Okay, there it is. It's been about 5 minutes. I've let this set, and you know what? It sounds like it's set, so let's try it out. So all this basically is, it's really kind of like, think of a protein shake. That's what it kind of tastes like, and that's what it actually kind of forms like. I'll kind of show you what it looks like here when you pour it out. You see what it kind of looks like? It's basically a vanilla type shake, but it's got a lot of calories and a lot of protein. 42 grams of protein in this thing. It does. It tastes just like I'm drinking a protein shake. And the advantage of having these things is you could pack 10 of these in one backpack and it would weigh almost nothing. And then all you need, water is available with a filter or anything around. If you're carrying water with you or you're carrying a water filter, you don't need an oven. But this right here is a pretty much self-sustainable, just add water and you're good to go. And I could live off of these for probably a few weeks. Obviously, I'd like to have some real food out here if I'm going to be out here for a few weeks, but I think it's pretty good on that. And I will leave links below where you can pick up some of these RecPak meals or one of these epic water filters. This comes with a tap filter and a full-on kind of carbon filter for outdoors and all that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the RecPak. You know, one complete meal. Just add water. See you all in the next video.